Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and wanted to tell you all that finally found good homes for all the baby puppies of Sweetie Pie, our toy rat Doxie terrier. So they're all gonna get homes and get fixed and everything. So that's really good news. And this is all my fish in here. This is my let me zoom in. My favorite fish, Dory, and then all my other guppies and everything, and my little guppies are doing good everywhere. I still have maybe one or two. Let's see if I can find them. Here's one with our red dwarf lily in here, and my white platinum, and my favorite one is hiding. She has a blue tail, but all of them are kind of really my favorites. I gotta get some more females sometime, and do some more videos. And my snails, and their racer snails, are doing really good with my Java fern. And I forgot what this plant was called. That's right, Bacopia. Oh yes, that's right, Bacopia. And I think it blooms white, maybe. We'll see, I guess. My peacock in here, she's just one of my favorites because she's different. And then my gold nugget, she's still kind of on a diet, so she's in here. So everybody's doing really well, along with my gold rocks and everything. This one has gold in it, and I think these are quartz crystals on this one, and a little bit of gold in here with some, quartz crystals in there also. I love you all out there. I hope you enjoy. These are a couple of my cool little knickknacks. My little bunnies and kitties. And I really like these ones because they're like all fish and stuff. And my little cool little squirrels, little puppies. I think this one kind of reminds me of Pie. This one kind of looks like our dog Puggle. Some of my teddy bears. My little teddy bear up here. I'll zoom out and try to focus a little better. Just a little cool stuff I have. Collect the bears. Little Pie, she's in her outfit. Let's see if maybe she'll do tricks. She might not feel like it today. Round. Sit. Paw paw. Lay down. Good girl. Crawl. Crawl. Good girl. We'll go over. Go over. Try this way. Try to go this way. Come on. Here you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yay. And that's a Pie, Sweetie Pie, with her cute little outfit. Doing some tricks for you guys today. I hope you all enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.